Hello, this is Thor Young with Bear Bull Traders, and I would like to share my recap on ARRY with you today. ARRY was on our gappers list this morning in the Bear Bull Traders chat room, so my attention was immediately on it. It's a pharmaceutical, and it had gapped up a significant amount, as you can see here on our daily chart. I actually sat down a little bit late on the day, and one of my friends in chat called it out and said it was really looking strong for a short. So here's what we were looking at. As you can see here on my 1 minute chart, ARRY had found a bottom during the opening range around 46.43 and had pushed off of that up into the moving averages. As it curled under the moving averages, I went ahead and took it short at 46.65. It was a pretty easy short to make off of this 1 minute wedge it was forming here under the averages. I took it at the breakout area, so I only took about 1,000 shares since my risk was going to be about 5 or 6 cents. I actually went ahead and put my risk here at 46.73, so close to about 8-cent risk. So after taking it short, we broke, and I went ahead and got a quick cover here and then took out some quick partials as it moved down because we were already really close to this low. So I wasn't sure if this was going to form a larger wedge, a 5-minute wedge on the way down, or if we were just going to rebound. So I was really pretty quick to grab a couple of partials here. Well, fortunately, as I partialed down to 46.40 and it broke this bottom, it did in fact start to form another wedge down, which was excellent news for me. So I went ahead and added back into my position, back up to my original size, and I just moved my stop from 46.72 area down to the 46.55 area to absorb the additional risk. The good thing about this add-in is my add-in's only really risking my P&L, and mostly just my unrealized, not even my realized part of that. So I loaded back in to wait. Again, it was if it broke back up to here, I would be out, which it didn't. It did not. So it broke back through, and then at some 5-cent averages, I went ahead and took partials all the way down to 46.25. Once I was down to 46.25, I decided I would go ahead and hold in as I saw it making a new wedge. Thought about adding back in again, but didn't think I'd take a look a gift horse in the mouth and just decided just to hold on to my remaining shares, and was rewarded with a really nice breakdown, which I then partialed the rest of as it pulled back up here. It did eventually go down a little bit more, but as you can see, it's been on a bit of a rally here and is making its way back up. I'm not sure where it'll end up, or if this is just a could just be a pullback here to the 20 moving average before it heads back down. So a little later in the day, it might be another opportunity for some people around 46 or 45.67, might get a new wedge somewhere around that level to trade off of. But hope you guys enjoyed my trade here. Just going to do just a quick recap on this one, but wanted to show you taking a good short position. If you get yourself in well, go ahead and you can add back in, only risking your unrealized so that you can get another better move down on a better set of shares. So hope you guys all enjoyed the recap. Hope you're all staying green and having a great Monday. Thank you.